Tierra in Milpitas. This is an awesome piece of property. Just look around the hills. You're actually at the foothills.
Oh my gosh, this is actually amazing.
What we have here is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath. Let's come.
I feel like I'm in my own little paradise right now. We're getting an exclusive look. Oh my gosh.
The doorway is so beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
I love it.
Look at this door. Let me tell you, I know the listing agent. I know lenders. If you can imagine, the door to this home is actually like the key to your dreams. Call me, Sherry Romero from Coldwell Banker.
Oh, I just want to take a dip in the pool. Oh, konnichiwa, Azu. What do you think?
It's like a dream. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting really hungry. Azu, I'm hungry.
You can eat this avocado.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love avocados. Oh, look at these beautiful trees, these plants. Oh, it's so enchanting. I feel like I'm on my own private island.
It's like a
Ne?
dream. 信じられない。これがお家だって。
Home.
Oh my gosh, I feel like a princess.
Oh, hey.
Your thirst over here.
Oh, yes, please.
Barbecue setup that we have. Look at
Whoa, this is amazing. Look at this amazing pool. Perfect for some exercise on a hot day.